In this video, Unit 1 Pitch Part D, we are going to explore keyboard and accidental. So far, we have only talked about how various pitches of notes are written on the stave. We also need to know where each pitch is on a keyboard. If we understand the layout of a keyboard, several topics which are made much easier. Here is a diagram of a keyboard. The letter names of the white keys have been filled in. The black keys are grouped in 2s and 3s. The names of the white keys use all the letters of the music alphabet. Any two white keys with the same letter name come at the same point in a black and white pattern. An easy one to learn is D. It's the white key between the pair of black keys. You will find it very helpful if you are able to sketch a piano keyboard accurately and name the white keys. The simplest way to do this is as follows. Start with a large rectangle. Divide it into a smaller rectangle by drawing vertical lines. Color in black keys in the correct pattern. Finish off this diagram and write the letter name on the white keys. Now, try to draw a keyboard by yourself and write the names of the white keys in your keyboard. From the chart, we've learned an octave is a distance from any note to the next note up or down which has the same letter name. The higher sounds are to the right, and the lower sounds are to the left. A semitone is a distance from any key, black or white, on a keyboard to the next key up or down, black or white. Usually, semitone steps go from black to white, or from white to black. However, look carefully at the keyboard. In each octave, there are just two pairs of white keys, which are only a semitone apart. Write the names of the pairs of keys below. As you can see, the white keys use all the letters of the music alphabet. The black keys take their names from the white keys next to them with flat or sharp added. As each black key is between two white keys, this means it can have two different names. For example, the black key between C and D can be called either C sharp or D flat. A sharp means to play a semitone higher. On the keyboard, this is the key immediately to the right, usually black. A flat means to play a semitone lower. On the keyboard, this is the key immediately to the left, usually black. When you are naming a note in written music, it's very important to use the correct letter name. Although any key on a keyboard, or we can say any pitch of the note, can have more than one letter name, in written music, a particular pitch takes its letter name from the line or space on the stave on which it's written. Here is a diagram of the keyboard with the white keys labeled. Underneath some of the white keys and above some of the black keys are written other possible names they can have. Here are some examples were written on the staves of two different ways of writing the same pitch. Each pair of notes shows two different ways of writing exactly the same pitch. You can see this if you match them to the keyboard. The pairs on the left are black keys. Those on the right are white keys. However, sharp or flat doesn't always mean play a black key on the keyboard. E sharp means play the key immediately to the right of E. In other words, play the white key usually called F. F flat means play the key immediately to the left of F. In other words, play white key usually called E. A sharp or a flat before a note on the music can be cancelled by a natural sign. Here are examples of each of these signs before a note, with the name of the note written underneath. The flat, sharp, and the natural are called accidentals. An accidental is lined up accurately on the line or space in the same way as the note. In music, an accidental is written before the note. However, in text, an accidental is written after the letter name. An accidental lasts until the next bar line, unless it's cancelled out sooner by another accidental. Name the following notes. Remember, write any accidental after the letter name of the note. Check the clef carefully. Write the following notes. Remember, check the clef carefully. Line up any accidentals as accurately as you line up the note itself. Write the accidental before, that means to the left, of the note on the stave.